I'm FocusDan, and this is the Gadget Rum Club podcast. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in this episode, we are taking the halls on a Christmas Gadget Rum Club podcast journey. I'm your host, FocusDan, here to light up your world like the brightest Christmas tree in the galaxy. Today, we're diving headfirst into a winter wonderland of high-tech holiday magic. We're talking lights so bright and smart they'll make the stars in the sky jealous. From the Italian genius of Twinkly, crafting light symphonies with a tap of your finger, to the wallet-friendly wizardry of Govee lights that dance to the beat of your favorite holiday tunes. And don't even get me started on the Philips Hue Festavia. It's like wrapping your house in a 65-foot-long tech-tastic rainbow. But hold on to your sleigh bells, because we're not stopping there. We've got voice-activated Christmas trees that'll make you say, oh Christmas tree, how lovely are thy tech branches. We're talking about trees that listen and respond like something out of a sci-fi Christmas story. And for all of you Santas out there looking for the perfect techie gift, get ready to have your stocking stuffed with the latest and greatest gadgets. Whether it's for the fitness fanatic in your life, the gadget guru who has everything, or the little tech heads dreaming of a digital Christmas, I've got you covered. But wait, what's Christmas without some mouth-watering, tech-infused cooking? We're going to explore the coolest kitchen gadgets that'll turn your holiday feast into a Michelin star affair. I'm talking about smart ovens, AI recipe apps, and more. All to make your Christmas dinner not just delicious, but digitally divine. And because it's not a Gadget Rum Club podcast episode without a little tipple, we'll be wrapping up with a review of a Christmas-themed rum that'll have your taste buds singing carols. So crank up the volume, grab your eggnog, and let's get ready to jingle all the way through this high-octane, tech-filled Christmas ride. It's time to tech the halls. And trust me, you don't want to miss a single digital jingle bell of this episode. Cheers! All right, Gadget Gang, it's time to zoom straight into the heart of Christmas, the dazzling world of smart holiday decorations. I'm talking about tech that turns your home into a winter wonderland, a spectacle of lights and colors that even Santa can't resist stopping by to check out. So hold on to your Santa hats, because we're about to flip the switch on some of the most jaw-dropping, app-controlled lighting systems this side of the North Pole. These aren't your grandma's Christmas lights. These are high-tech wonders that'll make your holidays shine brighter than Rudolph's red nose on a foggy Christmas Eve. Let's start with Twinkly, where every LED is a pixel in your festive masterpiece. Then we'll glide over to the budget-friendly brilliance of Govee lights, and you better believe we're going to wrap things up with the Philips Hue Festavia, a 65-foot-long beacon of holiday joy. Get ready to transform your home into the envy of the neighborhood. All right, let's dive into the glittering world of smart holiday decorations, where technology meets tinsel, and the results are nothing short of spectacular. First up, Twinkly lights. These Italian-made marvels are a game changer in the world of festive lighting. Imagine being able to control each individual LED on your string of lights. That's right, every single bulb is at your command with the Twinkly app. You want a cascading rainbow across your living room? Done. How about snowflakes dancing along the edges of your roof? Easy. The customization here is unparalleled. Yes, they're a bit on the pricey side, but for those who take their holiday light displays seriously, Twinkly is like owning the crown jewels of Christmas. Now let's shift gears to something more wallet-friendly, Govee's app-controlled lights. These lights are the perfect blend of affordability and functionality. You get a range of options, from fairy strings to icicle cascades, all controllable through Govee's intuitive app. And the best part? These lights can sync to your holiday music. Imagine jingle bells accompanied by a symphony of lights, all dancing in perfect harmony to the tune. Govee brings vibrant cheer to any space without breaking the bank. And for the grand finale, we have the Philips Hue Festavia. This isn't just a string of lights, it's a 65-foot-long masterpiece of illumination. Packed with 250 addressable LEDs, Festavia lights are designed to wrap your house in a symphony of colors. And for those who love smart home integrations, you'll be delighted to know that these lights play nice with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. Control them with your voice, your phone, or even set them to dance along with your favorite Christmas movies. It's a high-tech holiday dream come true. But we're not just decking the halls with lights. Let's talk about the trees, too. The Twinkly Flex tree is where technology and tradition meet in a stunning display. This isn't just any artificial Christmas tree. It's a voice-activated marvel. Ask it to sparkle, and it sparkles. Want it to twinkle like a starry night? Consider it done. The Flex Tree brings the magic of Christmas to life with just your voice. For those looking for something even more out of the box, check out the Olcatech Smart Christmas Tree with Projector. This tree takes holiday decoration to cinematic levels. It's not just adorned with voice-controlled LED lights, but also features a built-in projector. This means you can have festive animations like falling snowflakes or flying reindeers projected onto your walls. It's a tree and a holiday light show all rolled into one. And lastly, for a touch of tradition with a tech twist, we have the Balsam Hill artificial Christmas tree with smart lighting. Balsam Hill is known for their stunningly realistic trees, and with their smart lighting upgrade, these trees become a centerpiece of modern Christmas decoration. Control the lights via an app or a remote and bask in the classic beauty of a Christmas tree. Now, with a convenient modern upgrade. There you have it, folks. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking to jazz up your holiday decor, or just someone who loves a bit of extra sparkle, these smart holiday decorations are sure to brighten up your festive season. Remember, it's not just about the lights or the tree, it's about creating that magical Christmas atmosphere. And with these gadgets, you are well on your way to having a home that not only looks like a winter wonderland, but feels like one too. Stay tuned for more Tech the Halls right here on the Gadget Rum Club podcast. All right, Gadgeteers, we just lit up our homes with the most dazzling smart decorations this side of the North Pole. But hey, what's Christmas without some techie gifts under that brilliantly lit tree, right? It's time to switch from decking the halls to filling those stockings and finding the perfect presents for our loved ones. So buckle up, because I'm about to guide you through a winter wonderland of the coolest tech gadgets out there. We're talking about gifts that will make your tech-savvy friends and family jump for joy, and even surprise those who think they've seen it all in the world of gadgets. From the latest in wearable technology that keeps track of more than just steps, to interactive workout devices that bring the gym home, and even some mind-blowing toys for the young and young at heart tech enthusiasts, we've got something for everyone on your list. So get your notepads ready, or hey, just open up your Notes app, because you're not going to want to forget these fantastic gift ideas. Let's dive into our Tech the Halls gift guide and find that perfect gadget that screams Merry Christmas like no other. Here we go. All right, gadget lovers, it's time to dive into our tech gift guide, the one-stop shop for all your festive gifting needs. We're talking about presents that will light up the faces of your loved ones faster than a Christmas tree on Christmas morning. For the fitness fanatics in your life, the Apple Watch Series 8 is the ultimate wrist companion, tracking everything from their daily steps to their blood oxygen levels. It's a gift that says, I care about your health and your style. Then there's the Peloton Guide, a game changer for home workouts, bringing the energy of a Peloton class into any room. And for those muscle recovery needs, the Hypervise Venom Go is the perfect portable massager, melting away tension and soreness on the go. But wait, we've got more for the gadget gurus out there. Imagine gifting someone the ability to dive into virtual worlds with the MetaQuest 2 VR headset. It's an affordable entry into breathtaking games and virtual experiences. For the coffee or tea lovers, the Ember Smart Mug is a dream come true, keeping their favorite drink at the perfect temperature, controlled right from their smartphone. And for the aspiring filmmakers or social media stars, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 gimbal turns a smartphone into a cinematic powerhouse, ensuring every video is smooth and professional. Now let's not forget the little tech heads. Spark their creativity and love for learning with the Osmo Coding Starter Kit, turning coding into a fun and interactive game. The Anki, Cosmo, and Vector robots are more than just toys. They're AI-powered friends that play, learn, and grow. And for a hands-on tech experience, the Sphero Mini is a programmable rolling robot that offers endless fun and learning opportunities. Each of these gifts is more than just a gadget. They're a ticket to new experiences, learning opportunities, and endless fun. So whether you're shopping for a fitness enthusiast, a tech aficionado, or a budding young scientist, this guide has got you covered. All right, my tech-savvy elves, we've just journeyed through a winter wonderland of the perfect tech gifts. But now let's swap those sleigh bells for dinner bells because it's time to stir things up in the kitchen. We're moving from the tree to the table with our Christmas cooking tech talk. In this next segment, we're going to explore how technology can transform your holiday feast from traditional to sensational. We're talking about smart kitchen gadgets that are not just about cooking food. They're about creating culinary magic. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these high-tech helpers are here to ensure your Christmas dinner is not only delicious, but also a breeze to prepare. So grab your apron and your appetite as we dive into the world of smart ovens, precision cookers, and AI-powered recipe apps that'll make this Christmas meal one for the history books. Let's turn up the heat and get cooking, Gadget Rum Club style. Welcome back, festive foodies and gadget gurus. Now we're in my favorite part of the house during the holidays, the kitchen. This is where tech meets taste, and boy do we have some game-changing gadgets to talk about. Let's start with the Innova Precision Oven. This isn't your average countertop appliance, it's a culinary powerhouse. Picture a toaster oven that not only bakes and air fries, but also suave vides and steams with impeccable precision. Perfectly cooked turkey, mouth-watering roasts, and even those delicate Christmas cookies. The Innova Precision Oven does it all. And the best part? It's Alexa compatible, adding that voice-activated magic to your holiday cooking. Next up, we have the Breville Smart Toaster Oven Air Fryer. This isn't just a space saver, it's a flavor enhancer. Whether you're air frying crispy Brussels sprouts, baking fluffy pastries, or toasting that buttery brioche, this compact machine does it all. You can even control it from your phone, making multitasking in the kitchen a breeze and freeing up valuable countertop space. And for the grand finale, the Instant Pot Pro Plus. This isn't just any multi-cooker, it's your Christmas culinary MVP. Imagine pressure cooking a succulent ham, slow cooking the most tender pulled pork, or whipping up creamy mashed potatoes in no time. With its smart features and guided recipes, the Instant Pot Pro Plus makes holiday meal prep a walk in a winter wonderland. But wait, there's more. Let's talk AI recipe apps. First, Yumly. This app isn't just a recipe aggregator, it's a personal chef in your pocket. It suggests dishes based on your ingredients, dietary needs, and even the occasion, ensuring you find the perfect Christmas side dish or a hidden gem for your holiday menu. Then, there's Chef Stop's Joulet. Complementing the Joulet Suave Vide device, it's a treasure trove of chef-crafted recipes with step-by-step guidance, perfect for impressing your guests with Suave Vide delicacies. And of course, Kitchen Stories. This app is a visual and culinary delight, featuring captivating recipe videos and interactive instructions from culinary experts. It's like having a cooking show right in your kitchen. And for that extra dash of tech, consider smart thermometers to get that poultry just right, or digital scales for precise measurements. And why not prop up a kitchen-friendly tablet loaded with recipes for hands-free cooking assistance? There you have it, my merry chefs. With these smart kitchen gadgets and AI-powered apps, your Christmas feast is sure to be the talk of the town. No more holiday cooking stress, just pure joy, flavor, and a little touch of tech. Well, my tech-loving foodies, we've just spiced up our Christmas kitchens with some seriously smart gadgets and apps. But what's a festive feast without a little holiday cheer in a glass? It's time to trade our oven mitts for a tasting glass as we transition from the tech-savvy stoves to the heartwarming world of Christmas spirits. Yes, you guessed it. We're about to dive into our special Christmas rum review. We're going to swap out the sizzling sounds of cooking for the clinking of ice cubes and the pouring of rich, spiced rum. It's not just about the food, it's about the whole holiday experience. And what better way to round off a feast than with a taste of Christmas in a bottle? So whether you're a rum aficionado or just looking to add a little something special to your holiday celebrations, you're in for a treat. Let's raise our glasses and toast to the season with a rum that captures the essence of Christmas. Get ready for some festive flavor notes and perfect pairings that will make this Christmas one to remember. Here comes the Christmas Rum Review. All right, my festive friends, it's time for the highlight of our holiday episode, the Christmas Rum Review. Gather around because I've got a bottle here that's as full of Christmas spirit as Santa's sleigh is full of presents. Today we're savoring the Sailor Jerry Spiced Christmas Rum, a bottle that's sure to put a jolly twist on your holiday celebrations. Picture this, a rum that's like a gingerbread house nestled on a Caribbean beach. On the nose, Sailor Jerry Spiced Christmas Rum greets you with a warming wave of holiday spices. Cinnamon leads the charge, swirling with clove and nutmeg, while hints of vanilla peek through, reminiscent of shy elves amidst sugar plum trees. It's an aroma that promises cozy nights by the fire and carols sung with gusto. Now, take a sip. The initial sweetness of this amber beauty gives way to a fiery kick of ginger, followed by a warming embrace of cloves and nutmeg. Cinnamon lingers on your tongue, leaving a tingle that's both playful and sophisticated. It's a complex dance of flavors, like a well-told ghost story on Christmas Eve. But what about pairings? This spiced rum is begging to be paired with classic holiday fare. Imagine dunking gingerbread cookies into its depths, their molasses notes harmonizing with the rum's warm spices. Or pour it over a slice of pecan pie for a boozy twist on a holiday classic. And let's not forget about a spiked eggnog. This rum will transform it into a drink that will have everyone asking for seconds. And there's more to its versatility. Splash Sailor Jerry into mulled cider for a festive twist, or add it to your cranberry sauce for a touch of the tropics. Of course, it's also delightful neat, sipped slowly by the fire as the snow falls gently outside. In conclusion, Sailor Jerry's spiced Christmas rum is a treasure chest of holiday cheer. Its festive flavors, bold character, and versatile spirit make it the perfect addition to any holiday gathering. So here's to a Christmas filled with warmth, laughter, and a touch of spiced rum. Cheers, everyone. Well, there you have it, my gadget-loving friends. We've journeyed through a winter tech wonderland together in this special Christmas edition of the Gadget Rum Club podcast. From transforming our homes with dazzling smart decorations, to finding the perfect tech gifts for our loved ones, from elevating our holiday feast with some incredible kitchen tech, to toasting with a glass of festive rum, we've covered it all. As we wrap up today's episode, it's clear that technology isn't just about gadgets and gizmos, it's about creating magic, especially during the holiday season. It brings sparkle to our decorations, wisdom to our gift giving, finesse to our cooking, and a hearty cheer to our celebrations. Reflecting on everything we've discussed today, it's amazing to see how technology can enhance our Christmas spirit and bring us closer, even when we're apart. Whether it's through a light display that brings joy to the neighborhood, or a video call that connects us with family across the miles, tech has a special way of making the holiday season brighter and more memorable. So as we draw near the end of this festive episode, I want to take a moment to thank you all for joining me on this delightful tech-filled journey. Stay tuned for just a bit longer as we wrap up with some final thoughts and a special holiday message. But for now, let's bask in the warm glow of a Christmas well celebrated with a touch of tech. And with that, my tech-savvy Santas and gadget-loving elves, we've reached the end of our Tech the Halls journey. From smart lights that twinkle with the magic of the season, to gifts that keep on giving long after the holidays, we've explored how technology can not only enhance our celebrations, but also bring us closer together during this special time of year. As we sign off from this festive episode, I want to wish each and every one of you a Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season. May your days be merry, bright, and filled with the joy that only the perfect gadget can bring. Remember, the spirit of the holidays isn't just in the gifts that we give, but in the love and laughter that we share. So share this episode with your friends and family as a unique digital gift. And don't forget to join us next time on the Gadget Rum Club podcast for more tech insights, reviews, and fun. Until then, keep your tech handy, your holiday spirit high, and your rum spiced. This is FocusDan signing off. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and stay tuned. This was the Gadget Rum Club podcast.